Hello. Why did
Hello.
you choose to be a teacher?
Ah, I love children kasi gusto ko makasama ang mga bata. Gusto ko i-share yung knowledge ko sa kanila. And also, napapasok mo po yung word ni God. I share gospel to the children.
How do you inspire and motivate your children in your lessons?
Motivation. Naging good model ako sa kanila. I'll talk to them na yung mahina lang ang boses ko para follow nila yung attitude ko. Hindi ko sila pinapalo. Tinuturuan ko pa sila ng good values.
What do you do to prepare for a certain lesson or class?
What did I do? Gumagawa ko ng mga games, mga flashcard, para makuha nila agad yung gusto kong iparating sa kanila.
When you meet an obstacle or problems in class, how do you resolve it?
Pag may problem, nagtatanong ako sa mga co-teachers ko. Nag-share kami kung paano namin isosolve yung problem. Kung hindi talaga kaya, dinadala na namin sa supervisor namin.
Yun lang. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
So, first question, why did you choose to be a teacher?
I choose to be a teacher kasi gusto ko rin talaga ng mga bata, gusto ko mag-train ng bata. Ewan ko, parang instinct ko na gusto ko talagang mag-train, i-train sila. Yun, gusto ko makapaglaro sa kanila. Actually, I'm handling this year pre-nursery. So talagang it's 2 years old, talagang mga maliliit sila. Ayan.
How do you inspire and motivate their students in your lessons?
So, namomotivate ko sila kasi, pinapakita ko sa kanila na, paano ko ba namomotivate? So, kunyari, may subject ako, nagpapakita ako through visual. So, yung visual ko, very dapat interesting siya talaga. Tapos, pinapakita ko rin sa kanila na, yung interaction dun between the child and between me and them na dun ko na ma-motivate sila na sumunod sa lesson, ganon.
What do you do to prepare for a certain lesson or class?
So, kung paano ko mag-prepare. So, I go to the library, I research, tapos sometimes I ask other teachers, paano bang ginagawa mo dito sa certain lesson? Ganon. Tapos, mga books talaga. Taka may teaching, may mga books kami na nahihiram sa library na pwedeng i-apply doon sa pagtuturo namin sa mga bata.
When you meet an obstacle or problem in class, how do you resolve it?
So, kinakausap ko yung bata. Sometimes, kagaya ngayon, sa pre-nursery, may nangyayari between the students. So, minsan nag-aaway sila. So, dun nagkakaroon ng problema. Minsan nagbabiting sila. So, we talk to them. Kinakausap namin yung mga bata. So, maski hindi pa nila naiintindihan, pero we explain pa rin talaga sa kanila kung paano dapat yung gawin nila. They have to say sorry to one another and love each other. Ganon. Ine-explain talaga namin. Tapos, sinasabi rin namin sa kanila na love namin sila. Ganon. Ine-explain namin sa kanila.
Did you choose to be a teacher?
Well, I chose to be a teacher so that I could teach the children. All the children will be learned. Yeah. Okay?
Next question. How do you inspire and motivate your students in your lessons?
Well, I look for something new, something different props so that the children will be interested. Yeah. Okay?
What do you do to prepare for a certain lesson or class?
What do you
Do to prepare?
to prepare a lesson? I have to look for some mga toys, props, like that, storybooks, to motivate the children. so that they got interested.
When you meet an obstacle or problem in class, how do you resolve it?
Obstacle. For example, the children are very noisy like that.
Yes.
Well, I control my temper because they are just a kid like that.
Yes.
Yan. Finish na? Okay na?
Okay, thank